Today's the day. We're flying.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold the door.
Komt straks wel even.
Wat een bende.
Anders ga je met die kant op ergens parkeren.
Maar.
Ja. Ja, dat is goed. Oké,
Okay.
doei.
Isn't it better if we get another one?
Ik moet foto maken.
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Je hebt ideale schil. Ferdi, dit hoef je niet te missen. Ga nog missen.
That was hard. Oh my god, talking about it is making me cry. But it was great seeing everybody and saying goodbye in person, and to everybody who we didn't get to say goodbye to, you know, we'll message, we'll keep in touch, and thank you so much for everything. Why am I such a mess? And he's fine. We're trying to get some stroopwafel presents for my family when we arrive. Caramel, and then honey, and then syrup. Honey, and then syrup, and another syrup. Okay, let's go.
And do you want the Pringles?
Yeah.
I think I want the hummus one. Chili taco, yeah, I guess this one.
Yeah. Okay. It's €4 for
Yeah.
water.
Like the little fristies, even €4.
Okay, we have the presents. Now it's time to get our last McDonald's in the Netherlands. Oh, we have to leave the McDonald's in a hurry because we read the ticket wrong. We are actually supposed to be at the gate already, and it's boarding in like 10 minutes, so we're running because the gate is 10 minutes away. And Ferdi is still eating his McDonald's. My bad. We just made it to the gate and it looks like they're already boarding.
I can't wait. It's a big ass line anyway, so might as well eat my burger.
Yes, thank you. Yes, dankjewel. Thank you. Oh, we're boarding, we're boarding. We made it through with all the luggage. My God, it's a miracle. We're being really blessed today.
And yours?
Are we getting nothing? Oh, the seat's still free. And it looks like everyone has almost boarded.
Please note that the use of power banks on board is strictly prohibited. This includes charging them or using the power bank to charge a device. There are individual lights at your seat for within the cabin lights, and if you need anything on today's light, please let us know. Thank you.
That's new to me. I wonder why. My seat is empty. Gotta see yourselves. Here we go. I think I'm gonna choose this one. It's like champagne. I can't open it. Ooh. Okay. got this at the store. It's actually pretty good. Just got dinner, whatever. It's like, what time is it? It is 11:45. And what did we get? Okay, so we have milk chocolate mousse with caramel sauce. That actually sounds pretty good. We got some veggies. Right? What did you get?
Yeah, it's rice and chicken.
Oh, yum. It actually smells really good. And I got the beef. Ow. It's really hot. Wow. That was pretty rough. I think I nodded off a little bit. Did you sleep? Did you sleep?
Close my eyes.
Yeah. We made it through security off the plane. We have our luggage. And now we are just walking through duty free and seeing what we can get. It's like 4:45 in the morning back in Amsterdam, so neither of us are hungry or anything. We just want to sleep. But gotta power through. Let's see if there's anything we can find that's cool. Do you have croissants and stuff? We made it through the security, the control back there, and everything was fine. They just wanted to make sure that our liquids weren't above 100 milliliters, which they aren't, which is fine. So now we're just going to repack our bags because we did it in a hurry and they're a bit messy. And we found out that they have USB ports in our flight, so we might as well make use of it and charge our phones and stuff on the flight itself. Yeah, on the previous flight, it mentioned that we couldn't use the portable charger during the flight, which is strange. I've never heard of that rule before. But okay, but now we are what you call it? Now that we are checked into this part by the gate, we can only go one by one to go drink water outside, but we can't bring it inside. So yay. We weren't as lucky on our second flight, and we ended up having a full plane with somebody sitting next to us, which was fine. He was lovely, but it meant that I didn't want to film as much just to respect everybody else's privacy. We ended up having pasta for lunch, and we watched the new Puss in Boots movie. We're gonna open the That's cute.
I like it.
What does it say? That we say what?
I guess who we are.
God, she knows how to make me cry. Thank you so much to everybody that signed the book. It was so nice to get our messages from home and read them and break up the 13-hour flight. It made us cry, it made us laugh, and it was just so nice. So thanks again for all the love and support on our new adventure. Do you have TV? Are you a criminal? Are you sure? Do you intend to live? What, you have TV?
No. First
Oh.
one, do you intend to live
Yeah.
here for 12 months?
Okay, you have to sign it. We landed. We actually, I wanted to film more of the landing, but we ended up chatting to our seatmate, who was lovely, and he helped us out with the landing form because we were getting a little bit stressed of whether our biscuits contain enough honey to be declared or not. So we're gonna find that out in a little bit. But he was lovely, and we made our first friend in Australia, which was such a nice experience. And I think such a good welcome of coming here. We're here!
Oh, we gotta do that passport.
Yeah. Look who made it past passport control!
Didn't get pulled over.
Nah,
But you still have to do the bags, and I think that's where you get charged.
yeah, but that's only if we have something to declare, so I think it's all good. They even said that because he was coming with me, we could have gone together, which of course we didn't do. And the security officer said, welcome home, and I think that's just the most beautiful way to start our new adventure. And now we have to go get our bags. That's Alright, we got all our bags. Now we have to go to declare. But I think we've chosen nothing to declare, so fingers crossed we have nothing to declare. Okay, so I'm editing the video and I just realized that we never explained what we were gonna do after we landed in Melbourne. We had around a 4-hour wait from when we landed until we can pick up our rental car, so we just parked our butts at a cafe and just waited out the 4 hours. There was Wi-Fi, so we were fine.
How is it?
It's nice, the belt is really thick.
You're gonna get a mustache.
In the next video, I'm gonna share our first experience of driving on the other side of the road.
It's gonna be so fucking annoying.
Driving on the right side, yay! And all of our experience in Melbourne. This little ruse. Hi!
Hi.
Look, that one's looking at us. We're coming for you, Fluff. We're coming. And then when we get our van, I'm gonna share our experience driving the van all the way up to the Gold Coast. So stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!